Walang culinary certificate. Pagmamahal lang sa ginagawa ang naging puhunan ko. Pinagtiyagaan ko siya para matuto. Natutunan kong hindi sapat ang kaalaman. Kailangan ng determinasyon at being passionate about it. Hindi araw-araw malakas ang benta, pero araw-araw dapat malakas ang loob. It's not just about income, it's about someone trusting my service, and that is so priceless to me. Some of my biggest sales came from people I've never met, referred by customers who believed in me. Kaya, customers aren't just part of the business. They are part of the blessings I'm most grateful for. That's why this is my appreciation post para sa mga dear clients and suki na patuloy na bumibili, umu-order at sumusuporta sa Remy's Choice. Because the right client will understand your value, not just your price. Thank you so much.